Hi there, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a green screen effect in CapCut desktop. Using green screen effects allow you to replace backgrounds seamlessly, making your videos more engaging and professional. Let's go step by step. First, import your green screen video. Place the green screen footage on a track above the background layer. Select the green screen clip in the timeline. Navigate to the video section in the right-hand settings panel. Click Remove BG, then select Chrome Key. Use the color picker tool to select the green color in your footage. Adjust the intensity and shadow sliders to remove the background while keeping your subject intact. Play the video to check the result and tweak the Chrome Key settings if needed. If needed, select Auto Removal to automatically remove the background from your subject. Adjust position, scale and effects to enhance the final look. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.